What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm over at my buddy Ryan's house and we have something special for you guys. So Ryan decided that the boosted GT was not enough for him. So he went ahead and bought another Mustang, but with a different goal in mind. So Ryan built the boosted GT all for grip at the track, but the new Mustang is going to be all about getting sideways. So introducing you guys to the cheapest Mustang in America.
So this is the cheapest V6 manual Mustang in America. I was at work and my uncle called me. He said there was a Mustang in a field and if I wanted to part it out, and I said, absolutely not. It's $50, we're gonna crash it. We drove it home with one working brake caliper and it actually started in the field, which was kind of crazy. So let's give you a tour around this fine gem. This thing smelled of cigarettes and hats and meth. So we need an assist in the name here. Everything works except the dash and the windows and the brakes, and no power and no heat and no AC. So it's a really good car. We don't have a windshield and we've got rust on the roof. So this thing's gonna get some 410 gears in it, and we're gonna weld the diff and see what kind of fun we can have. As you can see here, we've got the 140 horsepower 3.8 liter. It's not a GT. We don't care. It was $50. If you don't like it, well, you can buy your own car. We have the drag racing or death wheel from the Junkyard. It's a drag racing car. We've got 100 horsepower. We can beat you. And you know, there's not that much more interesting about it, right? Like, we're gonna have some fun, maybe get some door hits on it, and hopefully we get the summer out of it. But if we don't, you'll find it at the scrapyard.
Many unbearable moments later.
Like a kitten.
All right, so now that you guys know that the car runs, probably not long with me, as you just saw, I'm trying to spend 500 bucks to get this car in a drift-worthy state. As cars always go, you spend more money than you plan. So I'm $15 into a rear brake line that I'm going to make. And you know, we're probably going to do coilovers because it's going to drive like a boat. I'm sure all the shocks are blown. So we're going to do some other maintenance items. And I do have an angle kit for the front that I bought from a steal, not literally, that we're going to install on this car. So I really bought the car because I had $500 in an angle kit and I felt bad putting it on the nice Mustang. So we're gonna put it on the ship box, and you know, it's crazy that the angle kit's worth more than a car. So that's really the only thing I need to protect. So as this is a luxury vehicle, we need to make sure we work on the interior, mostly for the passengers and my health. So we need to replace these seats with some budget bucket seats, and we're gonna pull the carpets out because I don't know what's in the carpets, and we're gonna delete most of the rear of the interior because with 100 horsepower, it's gonna be hard to spin these tires. So, you know, that's a good cigarette. You should smoke that. So yeah, I mean, there's not a lot to this car. If you guys want to see a mod that you would totally not do yourself, let me know, because I'm honestly game for whatever you guys want me to do to this shit box.
Well, there you guys have it. That is the newest addition to the Mile High Misfits channel. We wanted to keep things engaging for you guys, and we want to make sure that things are exciting on the channel, but don't worry, I'm still going to be doing plenty of C5 Corvette content. But with that, if you guys have mod ideas or name ideas for the new car, drop them in the comments below because we'd love to hear them. Well, that's all for this week, guys. If you enjoyed the content for today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. But we'll see you guys next week. Later.